welcome to Oliver's Get About Cooking, where today we'll be making the brilliant barbecue pack.
For this recipe, you will need scalded chicken, ribs, barbecue sauce that we made in previous video.
So what I've done here is I've lined the tray with some foil, put the chicken in the middle and surrounded it with some pork ribs. Now you want to give it a good season, some salt, some pepper. You want to get your barbecue sauce that we've cooked in previous video, give it a dunk and just put a layer on the meat. So it's all nice and covered, so that you get all the brushes and scores in the chicken. You want to make this spout with some wood chips in, of some foil, so that you get a smoky flavour and wood chips don't get onto your food. You want to crunch the edges down really tight so that no smoke escapes during the cooking process. Then put it in a Roccbox with no flame on.
After 45 minutes, drain the fat. Once you've drained the fat off, add some more barbecue sauce. Before you do this, ensure you put the Roccbox back on to heat to 500 degrees.
I've also experimentally added some sausages to see if they'll be smoked.
Once you've covered the tray with foil, cut a slit where the wood chip boat would be to allow the flame to burn the wood chips. For the final 5 minutes of cooking, remove the foil lid and put the Roccbox on full flame.
Now, time for taste. A bit of chicken. Nice. For my chicken rating, I'd give a 9 out of 10. Ribs. Lovely. Not too dry. Smoky. I give them a 10 out of 10. Now, we've got this experimental sausage. It's really like a normal sausage, but it tastes like barbecue. So, if you want some more, subscribe, hit the bell and like. Bye!